Hello and welcome to AI Basics. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can export on Luma AI. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. Open Luma AI, which is on your phone. After you open Luma AI, you can see the create option. Just go ahead and click on create. Now you can upload a video, record it, or you can use the guided. After you do so, you can go to library and you can see that this is the thing which I exported. Now if you want to export it or share it, you can do it as well. You can see the share icon. You can click on share, which is over here. Now you can just copy this code and send it to your people and it will be exported over here. So you can see share. Go ahead and tap on this share button over here, which is called share magic reveal, and then click on export. After you click on export, wait for a while and it will be exported to your gallery as well. So it's quite simple and easy. Let's go ahead and go to gallery and check if it is available. So if it is not there, what you need to do is go to Luma AI. After you go to Luma AI, what you need to do is go to library, and if you have created a video, you can see that it will be appearing over here. So let's go ahead and see the example what I created. So this is the video of my boot. So if you want to see this on 3D, you can just go ahead and click on this icon over here and it will be created on 3D and it looks absolutely amazing. Now you can see the option over here. You can see the share magic reveal. If you go ahead and click on download, you can see the video will be downloaded and it will appear on your gallery. And if you want to export it, you can see export a magic reveal video of your capture to share on other platform is available here. Go ahead and tap on export, wait for a while, and the magic reveal will be exported to your gallery and it can be used to share as well. So you can go ahead and click on files, or you can go to video player, click just once, wait for a while, and there you go. You can see that this video render has been exported and can be shared on your social media platforms or to your people who you want to share. So guys, this is how you can export on Luma AI. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.